Good afternoon, ma'am. This is my introduction on arts appreciation. Um, I'm going to compare or introduce myself in a song which is I relate to a lot, which is the Back Burner of Nikki Zapanta, because I can see myself as a back burner, which is for me the term back burner is a second option or the last option of some people. They tend to forget me when it comes to group activities in my old friend group. That's why I relate a lot to Backburner by Nikki Zapanta, which is they often not include me in the friend activities or with the groupings such. That's why I often relate to Backburner, and I I have been Backburner a long time ago, ma'am. That's why I choose to introduce myself as a Backburner